That voice in your head that just won't shut up. The endless what-if scenarios. Those mental loops that keep you wide awake at night. What if I told you there's a 30-second technique used by therapists all over the world that can instantly quiet your mind? And the best part? It's so simple, you can do it absolutely anywhere, anytime. Overthinking isn't just a little annoying, it's silently destroying your quality of life. It's the real reason you can't fall asleep at 3 in the morning staring at the ceiling. It's why you replay conversations over and over in your head for hours, picking apart every single word. It's that deep mental exhaustion that makes even the simplest tasks feel like climbing a mountain. But here's the truth that can change everything. Overthinking is a habit, not a permanent part of your personality. It's a pattern your brain has learned. And like any habit, it can be broken. Today we're going to break that habit for good. We're going to give you back control over your own mind so you can find the peace and quiet you deserve. So let's get right into it. Meet the 3-2-1 grounding technique. This isn't some new age fad. It's a legitimate tool used by therapists worldwide to help people manage anxiety, panic attacks, and you guessed it, overthinking. It's test designed to pull you out of a chaotic storm inside your head and anchor you firmly in the present moment. Here's exactly how it works. The next time you feel your mind starting to race, I want you to immediately pause, take a breath, and name either out loud or just to yourself 3 things you can see around you, 2 things you can physically touch or feel, and 1 thing you can hear right now. Let me demonstrate. Right now, I can see my camera lens. I can see a green plant on my desk, and I can see the light reflecting off the window. That's 3. Now for 2 things I can feel. I can feel the texture of my shirt against my skin, and I can feel the smooth, cool surface of the desk under my hands. That's 2. And finally, 1 thing I can hear. I can hear the gentle hum of my computer. That's 1. 3, 2, 1. It's that fast. You literally hijacking your brain's attention and redirecting it from internal chaos to external reality. Now it's your turn. Let's try this together, right now, wherever you are. I want you to pause this video if you need to and just look around. What are 3 things you can see? It could be your phone in your hand, a picture on the wall, a window, your own feet on the floor. Just name them. Okay, now focus on what you can feel. What are 2 things you can touch or physically sense? Maybe it's the feeling of your breath moving in and out of your lungs. Maybe it's the fabric of your clothes or the chair supporting you. Fine 2. And finally, what is 1 single thing you can hear? It might be my voice. It might be the sound of traffic outside, a fan whirring, or even complete silence. Just identify 1 sound. Did you feel that? That subtle shift? For a few seconds, the what-ifs and the worries disappeared, didn't they? Your mind went from a tangled mess of thoughts to a simple, calm observation of the world around you. That right there is the magic of the 3-2-1 method. It's an emergency brake for a runaway mind. So, why does this simple little trick work so well? It all comes down to neuroscience. Overthinking, worry, and anxiety primarily live in a part of your brain called the prefrontal cortex. This is your brain's CEO, the part responsible for planning, predicting, and thinking about the past and the future. When you're overthinking, this area is in overdrive. The 3-2-1 method acts as a circuit breaker. By forcing you to engage your senses, sight, touch, and hearing, you activate different parts of your brain, like the occipital lobe for vision and the temporal lobe for sound. You are literally shifting your brain's resources away from that overactive prefrontal cortex and into the parts that process the here and now. You pulling yourself out of the hypothetical future or the regretful past and planting yourself firmly in the present moment. And here's the beautiful secret. In the present moment, true anxiety cannot exist. Anxiety feeds on future worries, but it starves in the now. Once you get comfortable with the basic 3-2-1 method, you can supercharge it with some advanced variations, especially for those days when your overthinking feels extra stubborn. First, try combining it with deep breathing. Before you start, take a slow, deep breath in for 4 seconds, hold it for 4, and exhale slowly for 6. Then, do your 3-2-1. This calms your nervous system down first, making the technique even more effective. Another great variation is the 3-2-1 while walking. As you walk, notice 3 things you see, 2 sensations you feel like the wind on your skin or your feet hitting the pavement, and 1 sound you can hear. This is amazing for getting out of your head when you feel stuck indoors. And for an even more powerful version, try the 5-4-3-2-1 method. It's the same concept, but it engages all 5 senses. You name 5 things you can see, 4 things you can feel, 3 things you can hear, 2 things you can smell, and 1 thing you can taste. This is an incredible tool for moments of high anxiety or when you feel completely overwhelmed. Now it's your turn. The next time you feel that familiar storm of overthinking start to brew, I want you to remember 3, 2, 1. Your peaceful mind is literally just 30 seconds away. You have the tool, now all you need to do is use it. If this video helped you, you are going to love our next video, where we dive into more powerful, natural ways to beat anxiety for good. Make sure you hit that follow or subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you don't miss it. Your journey to a calmer mind starts right now. Thank you for watching.